Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we have this Tecno Spark and I'm going to show you how you can enter recovery mode in this one. So here we go. So guys, entering recovery mode in this phone is a bit different than the other phones. So now I'm going to show you how you can do that. First of all, you have to turn off your device and then press the power key and volume down key and then hold the volume up key. When you see the screen, leave the power button but keep holding the volume up key. And that's it guys, that's how you can enter recovery mode. So now you're in no command, press volume up and the power button together and that's it. Now from here you can reset your device or do whatever you want it to do in recovery. I'm just gonna reset this. So guys, that's it, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.